Hey guys, John B here with PhoneArena, and this is a quick unboxing of the Sony Xperia XZ2 Premium. So pre-orders for the phone were recently made available here in the US, but shipments won't be available until the end of the month. And just like many other gadget fans out there, I'm intrigued by Sony's latest flagship, which was announced not too long ago after its other flagship, the Sony Xperia XZ2. We just got in our review unit, so we're eager to see how this stacks up against some of the top-tiered smartphones released during the first half of the year. Considering that this is one of the first big phones to launch in the second half of the year, it's going to need to hit it out of the ballpark if it intends on being in contention. There's certainly some love given to this phone, which is clearly evident in its packaging. In particular, the logo and name on the front shimmers in a dazzling array of colors. For the most part, the gray colored packaging is pretty minimalist, while the back gives us some insight to the specs of the phone. And if you don't know already, the Sony Xperia XZ2 Premium is a beast of a phone. Some of its more notable specs include a 5.8-inch 4K HDR display, dual cameras, a Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor, 6GB of RAM, and a 13-megapixel front-facing camera. And included in the packaging, you'll find a USB Type-C cable, a wall charger, and the user's guide and safety information. Our first thought after taking the phone out from its packaging is how slippery it feels in the hand. That's probably attributed to its glass meets metal design, a common characteristic amongst phones nowadays, but it feels especially slippery here. Beyond that, there's some serious girth to the phone, both in its weight and size. Compared to its contemporaries, the Sony Xperia XZ2 Premium is pretty wide, so expect to stretch out your hand more than your typical phone. Besides that, we have to admit that the phone's construction feels solid. Turn the phone around, we're greeted with another drool-worthy feature, the dual cameras. The combination consists of a 19-megapixel main sensor accompanied with a secondary 12-megapixel monochrome sensor. Sure, it's able to produce the same bokeh effects as other dual camera implementations, but there's more of a focus on low light performance here. In fact, the monochrome sensor will be able to gather in more light, resulting in the ability to achieve an ISO of 51,200 for photos and 12,800 for videos. Over on the video side, you can expect the line's signature 960 frames per second super slow motion recording. Priced at $1,000, the Sony Xperia XZ2 Premium is no doubt a serious investment, but we're crossing our fingers that it can deliver the goods in setting the bar for the second half of the year. Considering what's on tap on the horizon, it's really going to need to step up its game if it has any chance of swaying the minds of consumers and believing in the Xperia brand once again, especially here in the US, so expect our in-depth review soon. And that is it for this quick unboxing video for the Sony Xperia XZ2 Premium. I'm looking forward to checking it out, but if you guys want to learn more about it, you can check out our website, PhoneArena.com. This is John V, signing off.